Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ayan, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. It is a beautiful day to practice English together. I'm doing very well, thank you. I am feeling very modern today.
Modern? That is an interesting word. Why are you feeling modern?
Well, look at my wrist. Do you see this?
Ooh, is that a new watch? It looks very fancy. It has a screen.
Yes, it is a smartwatch. It connects to my phone. It tells me the time, but it does so much more.
Wow, technology is amazing. And that is actually our topic for today.
Yes. Today we are talking about modern technology and how it helps our daily life.
I love this topic. We use technology every single day. It is everywhere.
It really is. But Emma, before we start talking about our cool gadgets, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, we do. If you are enjoying our podcast, please click the subscribe button for English with Ayan.
And please give us a like. It helps us find more friends who want to learn English.
And share this episode with your family or friends. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, Emma, so technology changes very fast. Sometimes it is hard to follow.
It is, but it makes life easier. Think about communication.
Oh, yes, that is the biggest change. Do you remember writing letters with a pen and paper?
Yes, I remember. I wrote letters to my grandmother. It took 1 week for the letter to arrive.
1 week. That is a long time. Now we have smartphones.
Exactly. Now I can send a text message and ping. She gets it in 1 second.
1 second. It is magic. And it is not just text. We can see people.
Video calls. I love video calls.
Me too. My brother lives in a different city. He is very far away.
Does he?
Yes. But we talk on video every Sunday. I can see his face. I can see his new dog. It feels like we are in the same room.
That is so important. It brings families together.
It does. It makes the world feel small.
And we can send photos too instantly.
Yes. Look at my lunch. Look at my cat.
We share our lives. It is very special.
So, communication is number 1. It is much better now. What else do you use, Emma?
I use technology for directions, a map on my phone, the GPS.
Yes. A nice voice tells me where to go. Turn left in 100 meters.
You have arrived at your destination.
Yes, that is my favorite sentence. You have arrived.
It saves a lot of time and stress.
So much stress. I am never lost now. Well, almost never.
Technology helps, but we still need to pay attention.
True. What about you, Emma? What is another way technology helps you?
I think shopping.
Shopping? Online shopping?
Yes, I'm a little lazy sometimes.
We are all a little lazy sometimes.
I do not like big supermarkets. They are crowded.
I understand. So sometimes I buy my groceries on an app.
On an app? On your phone?
Yes. I choose the milk, the bread, the eggs, and the apples.
And then
a kind person brings it to my door.
to your house?
Yes. I don't carry heavy bags. I don't stand in line. It is wonderful.
That is very convenient. It saves time.
I can use that time to read or relax or learn English.
That is a great way to use your time.
And it's good for gifts too.
Oh, how?
If my friend has a birthday and lives far away, I can buy a gift online and send it to his house.
That is true.
Technology connects us and helps us give things to people we love.
That is a nice way to think about it.
But Emma, what about inside the house?
Inside the house, like the kitchen,
Yes. Do you have any smart things?
I have a robot.
A robot like in the movies?
No, a small round robot. It cleans the floor.
A robot vacuum cleaner.
Yes, his name is Dusty.
You gave him a name? That is perfect.
He cleans while I am at work.
That is amazing.
Sometimes he gets stuck under the sofa. Poor Dusty.
Technology does the boring work for us.
So we can do fun things.
I have smart lights.
Smart lights?
I can talk to them. Turn on the lights.
Wow,
It feels like magic.
you are lazy.
I call it efficient.
I like that word.
Now let's talk about health.
Health?
My smartwatch counts my steps.
My goal is 10,000 steps.
The watch reminds me to move.
Like a strict teacher.
Yes, but good for me.
Technology helps our health.
And learning too.
Like learning English right now?
You can learn anytime, anywhere.
Technology makes learning accessible.
But balance is important.
Yes, use technology wisely.
So, Emma, this was a great conversation.
Yes, it was.
Now, we have a question for our listeners.
What is your favorite piece of technology?
Tell us in the comments.
Don't forget to subscribe to English with Ayan.
And like and share this podcast.
Thank you for listening.
Have a wonderful modern day.
Bye-bye. See you next time.